All right, gang, welcome back. We've got the Swished 20L fridge freezer here. We're going to do a bit of a talk about it, what's good, what's not so good, a review, all that good stuff. I've had mine for about 3.5 years. Well tried and tested. Myself and Liver also well tried and tested on this bad boy, so we'll see who comes out on top at the end. Stick around.
All right, let's have a look inside and see what we've got. So obviously we've got our 20 litre capacity inside. Nice little light there, helps us out when camping and at night time. It's pretty good. Just our main power adapter there, and also our 12 volt car charger. Really good, really easy to use. Also we've got the instruction manual, chucked it up the side there so you can have a look if you want. But now we're going to go through the functionality of the buttons. It's quite simple, so we've just got our simple on off button. And then we've also got our settings button. So if we toggle that, we can go into economy and max mode. So economy helps us out when we're using battery. If we hold it down, and we can also cycle through the battery modes. At the top, we've got the two up down. They are simply for up and down temperature. Yeah, you select the temperature that you want, and then it will then go back to its current temperature and work its way down from there. And then off button, obviously. So the only negative I have is that the carry handles are quite shallow on the sides. If it's full, it makes it hard to maneuver. Otherwise, as long as it's in place, it's good to go.
All right, gang, we've gone through what's included, simple functionality of the buttons. As we're going through that economy mode, highly recommend when you're running it off power. It keeps the battery really good and doesn't let it conk out on you, but also it keeps it in a temperature range, so it'll go north or south and fluctuate between the actual temperature that you want, but it'll still keep everything really cool and good. With that, it does pop up on different websites here and there, and it fluctuates between different venues and kind of goes periodically on sale. If you can get it for anywhere under 300, definitely recommend, as it's well worth its while. I did give it a really big stress test and ran it for 18 months straight in a study as a beer fridge, and yeah, pretty much that's what did it in. But in saying that, it's very good for a camping or van life if you really wanted to. You could easily use that instead of getting a proper fridge. Otherwise, really enjoyed it. Highly recommend getting it if you can find it for the right price. Anyway, that's all we've got for us. Like, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. See ya. Cheers.